Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from the Winter Forest. Today let's continue our leetcode challenge. Today's question is called the largest divisible subset. Let's look at the description. Given a set of distinct positive integers, find the largest subset such that every pair of elements in this subset is satisfied. If there are multiple solutions, return any subset is fine. Let's look at the example. In first example, 1, 2 can divide by 1, model 1 equal to 0, and 3 also could model 1 equal to 0. 3 cannot model 2. So the answer either is 1, 2 or 1, 3. In here, if you return 1, 2 or 1, 3 is fine. In second example, 2 can model 1 equal to 0, 4 model 1 equal to 0, A also model 1 equal to 0, and 4 model 2 also equal to 0, and A also model 2 equal to 0, and A also model 4 equal to 0. That is why it is 1, 2, 4A. This is a typical DP problem. Basically, the key concept in here is given a set of integers that satisfy the property that each pair of integers inside the set are more mutually divisible. For a new integer s can be placed into the set as long as it can divide the smallest number of the set or is divisible by the largest number of the set. That is why in here you could choose 1, 2, 4, A. If here have 1, 2, 4, 6, then 6 can't, because 6 can divide 2 but cannot divide. If divide 4, we have a remainder. So what are we going to do? This is quite complicated. We need a 2 DP array because we're going to find the biggest one. So the 1, and just let's start the code. First, do the edge case check if names equal to 0. Then you don't need a loop. If not, so we're going to have a DP array. The names will be the names.names. And by default, this DP array we fill it by 1. And we will have another DP array is the parents. So, like for example, if we are found, because everybody can model by 1, or also going to put 2, then go into parents. The parents can model 1, also can model 2. Then we'll find another position. The parents can model 1 and model 2 and model 4, or then it is the A. So we're going to continue like this one. So the first one are going to fulfill it with DP1. So it means everybody can divide by 1. And the second DP array actually is the parent. And the parent by default not satisfied with everybody, so since they are positive numbers, so going to arrays.fill DP to negative 1. Here suppose it's comma. And this is the parent. So you don't have a parent yet by default, but by default everybody can divide by 1. And then the second time you find the parent, if the parent can divide by 1, also can divide by 2, then you will have the parents. So first you find 1, parent is 1, then you find the parents 2, then you find the position and the looping find the biggest one. Since here we're going to use the second one, always divide the first one, we're going to sort the order. In here it is ascending order. If they have A in front, we actually expect looping 4 first, then looping A. So we're going to sort this array first. And after the sorted array, then we start a for loop. To for loop, this is a pattern for write a DP array. Always we omit it. So I is going to nums.length and I plus plus. J is going to find the second element. Also, it will be int j equal to 0. And j going to, if less than I, we're going to continue. Because we're going to use one model, another one. So in here, we're going to check. We're going to use the second one, second item. So use the one model 0, and use the if you're going to 0, actually won't do anything until the s started with this one. So 2, you start with 2. 2 will divide a model 1 if equal to 0. In here, nums I model nums j suppose start with 0 position. And if they are equal to 0, and then we haven't put into the DP yet, so we check DPS smaller than DPJ plus 1. That means we're going to update the DPI. And we also updated this one will be the parent. For loop finish. Once this for loop finish, now we need to do one more loop, find the max. By default is dp0, and the position it is 0. Then we do for loop. And if dpi greater than max, so if you have can be divided be here updated, then we go into update the max. And this position also update to this position, the DP, the I position. Once we go into looping this one, finish it. So this one looping the finish, we found the maximum, like in here it will be A for the max, but we need to expect the array or return. So we're going to have another loop again. So first we have the result. Then we have the while loop. Since this is the biggest one, so until you loop and find this position equal to -1, because by default the parent is -1. So we're going to read it out. And the position change to parent position. Once loop finish, we going to have our result. Did you see we loop from the biggest to the small one? Now in here we need to reverse it. Once done, we just simply return our result. Let's run the code. Array of the sort, missing T. Arrays dot sort. Okay, model. I modeled if another 16 is and 14 corrections. Let's submit it. Done. Thank you for watching. Bye.